Welcome to week 3 of dollar cost, averaging $10,000 into crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. For all the new viewers, this is a $10,000 DCA challenge. I did divide the $10,000 by 52 weeks. That way, every single week, we'll be investing almost $200 into crypto. We are in the middle of a bear market, and I believe this is the perfect time to start accumulating and to start building positions in your favorite project. So my plan is very simple. Every single week, I will buy some crypto. I will document every single purchase, and hopefully by the end of the year, we will have some decent positions. And then when the bull market returns and everything is hitting all-time highs, hopefully we will end up making a ton of money. Hopefully the $10,000 that we have invested in 2023 will become possibly even $100,000 in the next bull market. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, so make sure to do your own research before you purchase any crypto. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly what project we are buying today. And this is the spreadsheet where we track every single purchase. And as you can see, on week 1, we ended up purchasing $197.20 worth of Polygon Matic at the price of 87.5 cents. On week 2, we ended up purchasing some Polkadot at $5.75, and we spent $194.92. And these are the positions that we have so far. So now for week 3, we will be purchasing some Cardano. Personally, I'm a big fan of Cardano. It was one of my biggest gainers in the last bull run. I ended up purchasing Cardano under 10 cents, and I was selling at the tops. Do I believe Cardano will go under 10 cents again and present us with another buying opportunity? I don't know. Personally, I do not believe Cardano will go under 10 cents. In 2017 and 2018, everyone that was investing in crypto, they ended up selling absolutely everything when the market started crashing. This time around, I know a lot more people that are in the crypto space that are not selling. I know people that invested $10,000 and now their $10,000 is like $1,000 and they are still holding on. If this was 2017 and 18, those people would have sold absolutely everything. So I believe a lot more people are holding on to their crypto than in previous bull cycles. So I do not see the price of Cardano going under 10 cents. Could it happen? Possibly. Personally, I doubt it. So every single week, we can spend $192.30 on any crypto that we want. And every single week, this amount will get deducted from our current balance. As you can see, we have $9,608.58 left. And when we buy Cardano right now, we will have almost $200 less. And now let's go over to one of my favorite sites, I Trust Capital, and let's buy some Cardano. Alright, so now we are inside of my account. As you can see, we have the Polygon Matic that we have purchased. We are up on our investment. Also, we have some Polkadot, which we purchased as well. Now it is worth $207. So we made a nice little profit. Also, we are staking our entire Polkadot position. That way it can grow over time. And for all the people wondering why I'm using I Trust Capital to invest in crypto, the reason is very simple. With I Trust Capital, you are able to open up a crypto Roth IRA, which you'll be able to invest in crypto. You'll be able to buy, sell, tax free. The only time you get taxed is when you pull out, but you can have as many trades as possible. Unlike other crypto exchanges or other wallets, every single time you purchase crypto or you sell, you get hit with a taxable event. With I Trust Capital and their crypto Roth IRA, that does not happen. You can trade as much as you want tax-free. And now we are going to scroll down until we see Cardano. As you can see, Cardano today is up 2.65% and the current price is just over 38 cents. So we are going to press buy/sell, and this is where we will place our order. So we will put the full amount, $192, into Cardano. This will give us 501.88, which is not bad at all. Also, iTrust Capital will charge us $1.92 to purchase, so the total estimated amount is $193.92. We'll be purchasing Cardano at the price of 0.3826, so we are going to submit the market order. Also, if you do not want to do a market order, you can do a limit order where you will put in the exact price that you want to pay for Cardano. So for example, you can put in 35 cents, and if Cardano goes down to 35 cents, your order will execute. But for this challenge, most of the orders will be market orders, and I'll be buying at the current price. And now we're simply going to press confirm. And now it is loading, and we are purchasing some Cardano. As you can see, our order has been executed. This is the purchase price. We got 495 ADA, total amount spent $189. And now on our dashboard, you will see all three of our positions. We have Polygon, Cardano, and Polkadot. Now I have transferred that information over to our spreadsheet, and now we're simply going to take $9,608.58, and we are going to deduct $191.60. So the amount of money that we have left is $9,416.98. As you can see, we are slowly accumulating crypto and our positions are growing. I cannot wait for week 20 or week 30 or week 50 to see how big our crypto positions actually get. Also, if you use the link in the description box below and you open up a Roth IRA with iTrust Capital, you can get $100 that you can use to purchase any crypto that you want. So make sure you check it out. Alright everybody, that concludes this video for week 3. Slowly but surely our crypto positions are growing. I cannot wait to see what we have at the end of the year. And as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.